Welcome back to my channel. So during this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all what I received in my Lurella's April subscription box. So we are going to go ahead and get started. Now, the box is $29.99 per month plus tax. I think it's about $32, $33 a month that comes out of my account, which is still reasonable for the amount of products you get in here. And what I love about them, I'm an eyeshadow palette freak. I love eyeshadow palettes. That's be like my most favorite category in makeup so far. So that's why I love this box, because when you are on the subscription list, you receive this box, and the palette that's in the month is not up for purchase until after that month. So you get to test it out before anybody else gets to buy it, if that makes sense. I was trying to get it out, but y'all not be on something else. But anyways, but I do love Lurella, and I do think it's affordable for, like I said, the number of products you get, and then they're all full-size products. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you all what's in my April box. And this one is Must Be Cindy. So I guess this is her collab in her box. So we have this bucket. It's called a bucket bag, and it retails for $25. And this is actually a nice little bag. I guess you can throw makeup in it or whatever you want to throw. It has this nice drawstrap where you can carry it. You can actually probably do it for a number of things. Like if you go to football games where they have like clear bag policy, this would be a perfect little bag for that. Because like I said, you have this long strap that you can put on it, and it's real tough and sturdy. So I think that can be used for that if you know, if you go to football games and stuff like that, because I like to go to football games and they have clear bag policy. So this would be perfect. It's not too big, round. You can throw some cosmetics in there, keys, cell phone, a bunch of stuff like that. So I do like that. And then the little smaller one, you can actually put maybe like lip gloss or whatever you want to put in there, if you know, for so it be protected. So that is, and then it's a nice plastic. So the next item in my box, to start the show, the eyeshadow palette, and it is the new Lurella Fest eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $21. And I love how they did this eyeshadow palette. It's so super pretty. Now it is a flip eyeshadow palette, but I do like how they have this insert, and it's magnetic, so it magnets back to the palette to keep the shadows from closing in on each other. But this is a pretty eyeshadow palette. I'm telling y'all, camera does not give this eyeshadow palette credit. It makes so pretty in person, I like it. So I can definitely see myself pulling this out and using it. Now, y'all know I'm definitely going to do a video because I like these colors in here too. So I really like it. But this is the eyeshadow palette. And again, I like this little insert because it magnets right to it to keep these shadows from, you know, touching each other and mixing. The next item I have is a liquid lipstick. And this is in the shade Alex, and it's this fuchsia pink, really pretty dark pink, hot pink. If you like hot pink, I do like hot pink, so I'll definitely be using this. It's pretty, and they have some good formula too. The liquid lipsticks are not like drying out, and they have some great lip glosses. So I do like their formula. So I do use the lip gloss and lipsticks that they put in the subscription box because I do like the formula. So the next item I have is Colorful Eyelash. It says Colorful Eyelash. I don't know about that. I probably won't be wearing these. They are gold and black. I don't know how I feel about that. If I do put them on, it'll just probably be for a video, but I definitely would not be going outside with these babies on. This is what they look like. I mean, they're not too bad, but they're just not my speed. You can see that. No, that's not my speed. Now, if it was all black, I would go for it. It's still like too long for my liking. They're like really, really long, but to each his own. That's just not my style. The next item is 2 eyeshadow brushes. Now, they have some awesome, awesome eyeshadow brushes with Lurella. I love their eyeshadow brushes. And this one is a pencil brush. I'm trying to open it. It looks like a little pencil brush. Is that what the packaging says? It doesn't say. But it's a little, well, no, it's not even a pencil. It's a little flat pencil brush. That's what it is. A little flat pencil brush. And this one of those brushes, when I talk about the fiber brushes, this is one of those brushes that'll be great for that, blending out your crease area with shimmers. So I think that'll be perfect for that because it's actually a synthetic fiber brush. And the next brush is just a large fluffy brush. And I think this brush will be perfect for like highlighters. You know, placing highlighters on because it's real nice and fluffy. So I think this would be good as a highlighting brush. Perfect for that. Now the last item I received is their eyelash glue. Let me tell you, if you're looking for a good eyelash glue, Lurella has some hands down great, I say eyeshadow glue, eyelash glue. I don't know, eyelash glue. So I was so glad when I saw this in my box because they gave me a black one in another box, and I just want to show y'all. Look at this. I mean, I have used this thing like it's like literally nothing left in here. I have really used this and dolled it out, but I love, love, love their eyelash glue. So like I said, if you want some good eyelash glue, this is some good eyelash glue. Now, I've never used black eyelash glue until they sent it in that box, but stronghold glue. I don't know how the white is, but the black is definitely stronghold. So I am looking forward to trying out the white. So that is all I received in my April subscription box. But like I said, I'm definitely going to be using this beautiful eyeshadow palette. It's like so pretty in person. I just can't. It's just so pretty. But like I said, if you all want a nice box that's affordable and you get full products, and like I said, I love the subscription box because you get a new eyeshadow palette every month that's not up for sale until the following month. So you get to play around with it, test it, show it, and everything like that. So I do like that about it. If you guys will see this box, let me know if you got the same eyelashes or whatever else is in there that I have. That if it's anything different that you have that I don't have, let me know your thoughts on it if you have the box. Until then, I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. I am super excited about this eyeshadow palette though. I just keep looking at it. It's so pretty. But if you have not done so already, comment, like, and subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family here. And I will see you guys in my next video.